Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And just yesterday, I just did two videos on this and using the color eyedropper tool. And a viewer or subscriber gave me a really good tip that I never knew existed. So when you want to transfer these colors, and if you didn't watch the first two, we're trying to transfer these colors to get this gap. I would have to go to the color eyedropper tool and grab that color. And then I'm going to have to go to the pick tool to change back to another color so I could get that blue. Well, the viewer suggested or told me just hold down the shift key to get a new color. So I'm just grabbing on it and then holding down the shift and getting another sample. And that's going to save a lot of time. And then if you didn't watch the other videos, I took all this and then right clicked and take away the outline, and we get that shape with this missing pattern in the middle or spaces between the objects. So I think that viewer or subscriber, and that's one thing I like about YouTube, is everybody's willing to help and share. And anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.